Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing your data. Make a full backup to an external drive or cloud so you can restore later. Once done, create a bootable USB of the OS you'll install. Use Rufus or Microsoft Media Creation Tool for Windows Media. Make sure to download device drivers and note product keys before proceeding. This avoids dead hardware or licensing hassles. Finally, confirm the laptop battery is charged and plug it in so the process won't be interrupted mid-uninstall. You now boot from the USB installer. Press the laptop's boot menu key like F12 or ESC, then choose the USB device. Once the installer loads, pick Custom Install or Advanced options so you can see partitions. Carefully identify Windows partitions, EFI, MSR, the primary NTFS volume, and delete them to remove the OS. Make sure you understand which drive is which. Deleting the wrong disk erases other data. After removal, create new partitions or leave space, unallocated as required by your new OS. You finish by installing the replacement OS into the newly prepared space. Follow on-screen prompts, then install chipset, graphics, Wi-Fi drivers, and run system updates. Once stable, restore your personal files from the backup and recreate recovery media so you can recover quickly if needed. If the laptop won't boot afterward, try resetting UEFI firmware to defaults, toggling Secure Boot, or booting the recovery USB to repair the bootloader. These steps usually resolve common post.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.